Hello there! This video is about the routine and ritual of breaking in new pliers. Now, affordable or not, there are plenty of edges and burrs that come with new pliers. Your grip will be about as trusting as if holding the thorny stem of a rose, and with your hand on the defensive like that, there's no way you'll get to feel your workpiece the way you need to. Break all those bad edges good with a grinding wheel first. Then it's time to smooth the lot of them with sandpaper. Finish further with an abrasive rubber Kratex wheel and give it a final streamlining with 600 grit sandpaper. It'll allow you to grip your workpiece with such comfort and immediacy you'll forget about the pliers and focus on the feeling of your grip and the shaping that goes with it. There! Now feel this baby slide through your hand. Feels like an extension of your hand, doesn't it? In an upcoming video, I'll show you how to break in the plier jaws for peak performance. And thanks for watching.